Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this document here that will help you understand visual hierarchy when it comes to design, photography, and that kind of thing. So let's start off by just making a new document. So go File, New, Document, and I will make a screen snap of this and put it in your Google Slides so that you'll be able to remember. Okay, so as always at the top, save your file name. I'm going to name it this. I don't know what assignment number it is yet, so I'm just going to name it for visual hierarchy and user experience. Width 1000, units, pixels, height 500, one page, columns is 4. We want 4 columns, no gutter. And then the margins and the bleed are all 0 also. So leave that all 0 and close those up. So that's what your new document startup should look like, and then you can press create. And so here we have the document with the 4 columns. All right, so you can see how in my sample here I have these different squares in here. So we're going to draw those squares first. So get over here to the rectangle tool. You can press M on your keyboard to get it. And if you just click on your artboard, make your rectangle 250 by 250. And you can say OK. All right, now we want to fill it with a color. I'll let you choose whatever color you want, but if you go over here to the foreground picker and right click on that and open it up, you can choose a photo or a color. It's up to you what you pick. I think this time I'll make mine pink. And what you want to do is put it over here in the top corner. So you can either just drag it there if you want, that's fine, or you can also click here and make sure it says 0, 0. All right, so I want you to make kind of a checkerboard pattern with this. So what you're going to do first is copy it, Control C, and paste it, Control V. And then you're going to drag that one at the bottom of this next column, and then again, paste, Control V, and put that one at the top, and then Control V again, and put that one on the bottom. Okay, so now we need to make squares to fill in those white spaces. So we can press Control V again, but this time I want you to change the color. So right click in the color picker, and this time pick a different color. Like that, and paste. Whoops, I'm going to copy and paste this one. So click on the different colored one that you made, Control C, Control V, and then fill it in with those empty white spaces there. Alright, so now I have this checkerboard pattern. Open up your layers. If you don't have layers open already, go to Window and click on Layers and make it checked. And we want to name this layer Boxes. So right click on it and just say Boxes, say OK, and then let's lock it because we don't need to do anything to this anymore. The rest of the stuff is going to be on a new layer. So let's go ahead and make a new layer. You can either click this, Create New Layer, or you can go over here and say New Layer, and we're going to call this Text and Photos and say OK. Alright, so now we're ready to start putting our text in here. I'm going to go ahead and stop this video and let you get this part done, and then in the next video I'll show you how to put your text and photos in here.